Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is my sixth time trying to make this video because of interruptions. But pretty much this video is going to be a tutorial on how to use Panzoid to make an intro or edit your videos. You can do it for both, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. I never use it to edit my videos because I use Filmora 9 for that. But if you do know how to use Panzoid, then you might want to watch this video. So like a Panzoid, just click on the link, and then you should see this. This is what you should see. Click on New Project, and click on whatever you really want, like your name, template, whatever kind of background you want it to be. I'm gonna choose this one. It says, spin it around and stuff. So click on this right here, Objects. Click on Add Object. Text. If you want to have those, those nice intros where there's like a text, like your name, whatever. This one, it says your name. So what I want to do is go on to your name, and then you're going to change it to your YouTube channel name, which is Marlin in my case. Get rid of the other ones, and the Clipmaker one, and then when you click play, it should be the right thing. You should take it slow. Well, it should be like that. I may have clicked on the wrong template, but if you click on a different one, the name should pop up like nice, like my intro. Yeah, I just noticed this thickness. Wow, thanks Panzoid. So let's just pretend that this is what you do want to do. Let's pretend this is what you do want to have as your intro. It can be many different things. You can change everything here, as you can see, right? Appearance, color, scale, protection, not protection, but position. So, once you've done that, you're going to want to go to this right here, this arrow that says download, and don't change any of this. You're going to want to click on start video render, and you're going to want to wait for this to be finished, obviously, and see you when it is done. Alright, so as you can see right now, it is about to be done, and it's done. So this is what I should say. Download your video is, your render is finished, click below to download. Click on download your video. Now this should come up. Thank you for using Panzoid. Your download is starting. That's what I should say. Get rid of this ad, because it's useless. And this should come right here. The bottom left corner should say this. And, this should be what it is. You should take it slow. Whatever it was when you're in Panzoid, and that's where it should be. So now what you're going to want to do is go to your editing software. If it works, if it's compatible, click on import media files, go to downloads, and click on the thing you made today as soon as it's done. I made 4 of them today. So what I just made is video 3, so click open, and there it is, bada boom ski. It's right in your editing software. You should take it slow. See that? And obviously, if you don't want it to, have the black screen or whatever, you can just edit it out if you know how to do that. I'm not going to show you how to do that if you don't know how to edit using jump cut. But this was a tutorial on how to use Panzoid to make an intro. You can maybe use this to edit videos too, if you wanted to do that. But thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use Panzoid. If you enjoyed or if this was helpful, comment down below and let me know, and drop a like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, or if you want gaming videos. I do both. Oops. But thanks for watching. Till next time, see ya.